Hello, I'm Joseph Zuckerman speaking to you from over here in New York, from New York University, Langone Orthopedic Hospital. I was supposed to be in England at the annual meeting of the British Elbow and Shoulder Society, but as we all know, that had to be postponed, and now it's become a virtual meeting. One of the highlights of my career was being invited by your president, Dr. Rangan, to be his presidential guest lecturer. But that was not to take place in person. So we've done the next best thing, and I've recorded my talk. It's entitled Total Shoulder Arthroplasty in 2030. What will we be doing? I'm going to take a chance and make some predictions. So I certainly hope you'll enjoy listening to it. We all know about predictions. They can be right, they can be wrong, but probably in 2030, nobody's going to be contacting me to see if I was right or wrong. So I look forward to you listening, and I really wish I could have been there, like we all could have been together, at what I know it will be a fabulous meeting.